With all the gate openers available, you might wonder which gate opener would fit your needs. Even though they all have very similar features, I'm going to show you the major differences between ALEKO's 4 most popular sliding gate openers. ALEKO's most popular gate opener, the AC1400, has a 120 volt AC motor with 3/4 horsepower. It can open gates up to 40 feet in length with a weight limit of 1,400 pounds and has a total running time of 44 seconds. The AC2000 has a weight limit of 2,000 pounds and can open and close a gate up to 60 feet in length. Designed with a 120 volt, 2 horsepower, heavy duty motor for continuous operations and has the runtime of 44 seconds. ALEKO's 2700 gate opener has a 2 horsepower, 120 volt AC motor, operating time of 44 seconds and a weight limit of 2,700 pounds and can move up to a 40-foot gate. ALEKO's industrial gate opener, the AC5700, has a 120 volt AC motor that operates at 4 horsepower. It can move a gate up to 100 feet in length and a weight limit of 5,700 pounds and has a total runtime of 100 seconds. With all the gate openers on the market, we hope this video helps you find the right gate opener for your needs.